Thank you for tuning in into Diski Diary. Now, guys, stick around. I will tell you exactly why Bobby Mutaung and Nasruddin Nabi are at loggerheads. But at the end of the video, ngizosho ukuthi why kushubile lapha eNaturena and uNabi no Mutaung Bobby ukuthi babangani. But before that, I want to start with some transfer news involving Chiefs, Pirates and Sundowns. Laphayana kulokhuzana Mamelodi Sundowns. Uthapelo Maseko is being touted by Orlando Pirates as a replacement for outgoing Relebohile Mofokeng. So Pirates mayiceda ukuconclude ideal yaka Mofokeng njengoba sengishilo already uthi Mofokeng there's a possibility ukuthi uzohamba. I think it will probably happen within the next 2 weeks. Uzohamba laphayana eBelgium ku Antwerp, ku Royal Antwerp. So Sundowns Pirates ifuna uThapelo Maseko. You will know ukuthi uThapelo Maseko akahambanga neMamelodi Sundowns to the Club World Cup. And yeah, I mean it's the biggest omission considering that he won the AFC player of the tournament, the inaugural one. So yeah, uThapelo Maseko player la Rulani. However, you know, things have changed for him since Ukadoso took over the reins at Mamelodi Sundowns. So Pirates bemfuna uThapelo Maseko before he signed for Mamelodi Sundowns. So Orlando Pirates revisiting their interest in Thapelo Maseko. So don't be surprised to see a deal happening, which could be one of the reasons why Thapelo Maseko asale behind. And yeah, I read that there are some there's interest coming from Cyprus as well for Thapelo Maseko. I will do some more digging on that transfer Thapelo Maseko to Orlando Pirates, and I will keep you guys posted. Remember to give a like and to hit the subscribe button, guys, so that I can continue to bring you more content. And then indaba yenye engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo Tshepang Moremi. Tshepang Moremi Pirates nayo iyamufuna uTshepang Moremi. I believe AmaZulu they are entertaining offer ye lokhuzana ye Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, and now Orlando Pirates have entered the race for Tshepang Moremi. Yeah, he's currently with Bafana Bafana, and yeah, you guys can all see Tshepang Moremi is very skillful, very speedy player, very speedy forward. Can play as a striker, he can play as a winger. So you can see why all those big teams are you know, they're after him. Yeah, but I believe Orlando Pirates are leading the race for Moremi. And then another one, engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo Ime Ukon. We all know which he's got a SuperSport United midfielder unedual nationality. So ufunwa yilokhuzana Orlando. I mean to say Kaizer Chiefs are after his signature to bolster their midfield. So yeah, with news ukuthi Usipho has also been offered to Chiefs. We will see who they will go for, and drop your thoughts on comments. Ungitshele ukuthi who do you think Kaizer Chiefs should go for? Should they go for Okon or should they go for Sipho Mbule? We all know ngiyazi abanye benu bazothi based on ability alone uSipho Mbule kumele imsayine iChiefs. And then abanye benu bazothi no uSipho Mbule Istakwa. He's got his own demons off the field. So yeah, to Kaizer Chiefs need another Jabu Pule. We all know Jabu Pule, when you put him on the field, he was brilliant, but off the field he is a nightmare to manage. So does Nabi need a problem in his hands? You need to put it on the scale. I think that's what management will be looking at when they consider the signing of Sipho Mbule. They'll be looking at my experiences. Afana nabo Jabu Pule, abo Uzuma was the one omoye futhi lately. Utumsane Zuma naye bekana similar problem no Jwala. Yeah, Chiefs man, since kunama drought, we even read a story about Itumelong Khune utuze a training aphuzile. So they need those type of players. I don't know, guys, you tell me what you think. Chiefs management will definitely decide for themselves ukuthi bathatha uImo Okon or bathatha uSipho Mbule. Sipho Mbule, obviously the only thing going for him is that he is a free agent. So yeah, and also the number one target Yaga Nabi, and a verbal agreement has already been done. If this deal is concluded, we might not even talk about Mbule, we might not even talk about Okon, because if Nabi gets his number one target for that midfield role, Faisal Salum, then we won't be having this discussion yaga Okon Mbule. So Faisal Salum very close to joining Kaizer Chiefs, uselling a 1 year contract yakhe, so Kaizer Chiefs have to fork out the money bamthenge uSalum, buy out of the remainder of his contract. And then indaba ze Mamelodi Sundowns, before I talk about Bobby and Nabi, guys, Sundowns, you know ukuthi idlala ngelokhuzana ilapha ku Club World Cup. They've launched their new jersey. I've read some funny comments lapha ku social media, but angazi leches ngathilithela itiye or some funny things that you hear. But yeah, I think it's not too bad. Yeah, you guys drop me your thoughts on the comments. What do you make of the new Mamelodi Sundowns jersey? And yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns, on a serious note, their tickets are already on sale for the Club World Cup. Izodlala ngolokhuzana ngo 6 o'clock South African time. So they are playing against Ulsan eyase Korea. So yeah, Ulsan, guys, if you are wondering who they are the highest ranked team in the Asian Federations ranking. So that is the equivalent ye CAF. So yeah, singabafanisa nokuthi bayi Al Ahly yangale Europe, yangale Asia, I mean. So yeah, and then there are the bana master players la mangwacheka uYo Hyun Woo, goalkeeper wabo like uRonwen Williams wabo, and then uJo Min Kyu uyo umshaya manqaku lapha yana phambili striker sabo. That Sundowns, they definitely should look at him. Bangabhayizi lapha emuva, as Sundowns nokubhatshaza lapha emuva babe slow. So mele bamgade lapha yana uJo Min Kyu ngoba uyashaya net le Korea. And then lapha esiswini uAlende noMukwena, they definitely have to make sure that they control Darren Bjorjanic. So yeah, that's the data I have about Ulsan. So yeah, watch out for that game in 7 days time. Yasuga Club World Cup. And yeah, guys, the big news is uBobby noNabi you know, there was a meeting yeLokhuzana. They had a review of the performance your coach and to discuss ama transfer. So already it was agreed ukuthi coach akayindawo, and another thing that was going for the coach was that Keza Motaung was all for ukuthi coach akayindawo. And funny enough, and noBobby naye bekangafuni coach ukuthi iyendawo, umuntu bekane difference. I'm being told by sources through the grapevine, uKaizer Motaung Jr. uye umuntu bekangekho happy ngecoach, but his brother and father they do supported the coach, and bamconvince umfana ukuthi no, this thing of changing coaches will not work for us. It has not been working for us for the past 10 years, so we stick with Nabi. So that is why uNabi is still at Naturena. So manje makuhlelwe laphana kukhulunywa ngama transfer, uBobby ufuna ukuthi kusayinwe uOswin Opolis. So I believe Kaizer Chiefs are very close to signing uOswin Opolis. Kodwa uNabi was kind of unhappy about uOswin Opolis because uNabi uneplayer lakhe alifunayo laphayana. uNabi actually, his case was that he's looking for a left-footed attacker. So uOpolis is naturally not left-footed. So what uLokhuzana uNabi's case was that Chiefs signed uLokhuzana uBongani Sam, a left back that he did not want to use, so that ubacelile ukuthi guys, please ngicela ningangisayineli ama player engeke mina ngiwasebenzise, rather go with my recommendation. So uBobby bathi no, and actually the whole management, that's where iLokhuzana, the club and the coach have to meet each other, because we all know at big teams ama Lokhuzana management club inama player wayo ewafunayo, and then the coach nayo inama player wayo ewafunayo, and then they have to meet each other halfway. So uLokhuzana, the case yakanabi uthi ufuna iplayer elifana njengabo Sphiwe Shabalala left footed, and then wayenza icase yokuthi bebafuna ukusayina uAsenele Valebayo. uValebayi, the reason why the move did not happen was that uNabi wasayina uDlodi Lilepo, and then uLilepo has delivered and vindicated uNabi ukuthi uNabi makazisayinela yena ama player wakhe uyabafaka ku starting lineup, uyabadlalisa, and then baya performa, versus ukuthi makasayinelwa management njengoba nganesem iplayer lihlala ebenchini or lilimali. So that was his argument. However, uKaizer intervened, wayenza washo ukuthi no, as a club uLokhuzana uOpolis fits the profile of the club. Obviously makhuluma uKaizer, he knows exactly what kind of profile edingakalayo kuKaizer Chiefs. So the availability yakaPercy Tau, and then uLokhuzana, they actually recommended ukuthi they should look into Percy Tau. I don't know ukuthi manje kuzoyenzakalani laphaya, because Chiefs, they are very close to wrap up the Oswin Opolis deal. I think it will probably be announced sometime next week once it is concluded. But with Percy Tau being now being available, I don't know whether the Kaizer Chiefs is basayina boy2 or they will just stick with Oswin. Obviously Percy Tau, they will look at his age and they will consider ukuthi maybe sekamdala, maybe his best days are past him, or maybe bazothi they will go for Opolis. So you guys drop comments ningitshele ukuthi if you were in Nabi's shoes, who would you go for, Percy Tau or Opolis? So yeah, that's the predicament that they are sitting with. And yeah, it wasn't bengasinto embi, yeah, but it's just one of those things. Management mayihlele go boardroom, it's those things, one of those things that they do discuss. It's okay, this player versus this player, who do we go for? So yeah guys, I've come to the end of the video. Remember to check out Diski 99. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao, bye.